Welcome back to another video. Today we have the DeWalt XR Power Detect. This is the DCS368B. This is the equivalent to the FlexBolt Advantage. So guys, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribes and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. 44% more power, guaranteed tough. Alright, we got specifications here on the back. We got keyless blade clamp. It says yes, stroke per minute, 0 to 3000. Stroke length 1 1/8. Electric brake, yes. Tool weight 7.63 pounds. Includes DCS 368 reciprocating saw. Says tool only. Got some instruction, and then we got a sample blade here. It says wood with nails. The DCS 368 variable speed reciprocating saw. Says type 120 volt max, 0 to 2000. Same thing as the bottom. 4 different connect, and then we have this that it moves in with the battery. Some rubber sides there. We got metal. Maybe this is metal to give it more strength. Says DeWalt 20 volt max brushless. We got brushless there at DeWalt. We do have a lock here, a trigger lock. So trigger lock on there. It does say power detect here on the back. We do have some nice resting points on the sides. We do have a lot of ventilation here. More ventilation on this side, and some more ventilation here at the bottom. It does say XR. Really nice letters there, XR. So this is a light here. It's an LED light. This is the lock, so you guys could put the blade in. What you do is just lift the lever there, and then just put in the blade. And it locks right in place. Same thing to release it. We got a 6 amp hour battery here. We're gonna put it in, see what this sounds like. Alright, so that's what it looks like when it's on. This actually sounds pretty aggressive, pretty strong. That's the way it looks. It is variable speed with the trigger, so it does vibrate a little bit. Alright, we got the reciprocating saw with the 6 amp hour battery. We're gonna go ahead and try this out, see how well this cuts. Let's cut it right here. Alright, we got a piece of old square pipe. We're going to go ahead and change the blade to a metal blade. We got a metal blade here. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah guys, this thing is amazing. It's really strong. A little vibration, but actually very strong. Very quick. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one.